So for today's video, we are going to talk about Synthesia and DID, which is we will going to compare the two AI-driven video creation tools. So first, in Synthesia, it specializes in AI-generated video with realistic avatars. So the pros of it is it provides a high-quality avatars as well as having multilingual support and its simplicity. So, the cons of it is it only offers limited customization options, while in DID, it more focuses on creating photorealistic speaking avatars. And the pros of it is it has a impressive face animations as well as having a creative control and API access. So the cons of it is slightly complex to use for beginners. So in comparison, choose Synthesia for easy to create multilingual AI videos and choose DID for creative control and detailed animations. So for basic use, Synthesia is excellent, but for creative control, DID shines.